if you mistake with the name of your website, if you made a mistake with the name of your website, then you have to buy a new domain. So one of the best online platform that you can buy your domain and select a good name for your domain is the YT affiliate platform. So I'm going to show you the platform right here and you see things for yourself. So let me quickly show you the platform here and you see how it goes. So this is the platform area. This is the YT affiliate platform area. So on this platform here, you can build your online business. So here you can build your website. You also have training if you want to learn everything about online business. So this platform is going to teach you. It's going to take you by the end and show you everything. So let me quickly show you where you can where you can change your new domain. You want to buy your domain, your website, new domain, and ready to go. So here you're going to click website right here. So here as domain area, you can go from here. So you want to choose domains. So on this box here is where you can buy your domain. So these are all my domains here, as you can see here. So if you want to change your domain name, you can just type the name that you want to change here. So let's say I want to change the name of my domain. I want to change it to this. So when you enter, it's going to give you the name here. So if the name is available, you are going to see it that it is available right away. So as you can see here, the name is available right there. It's also going to show you more names that you can choose from. So from all this name, I can choose the .org is available. The .com is available. So it also have some great name here. So with hyphen. So if you like it, you can pick that. If not, you can leave it and go down and go find another one that you want to buy. So there is where you can buy your domain. So when you want to buy, let's say I want to buy this domain, you can just add it to cart. Yeah. So right there. So when you add it to cart here, you can then go from here and you can. So these are my domain that I want to buy right there. So you can click checkout and buy your domain right away. It is very easy and convenient. So you also have free domain here. If you are a starter member, you also get free domain. So let me show you another way you can get a good name for your online business, for your domain name, and you are able to go. So here on this area here, search. So this is the Jaxi. This is Jaxi right here. This is an online keyword tool that can help you research keywords. It can help you with your site rank. It can help you with keyword list. It can also help you with alphabet soup, with search engine analysis and niche trends. So this is a good tool that can help you with all this right there. So let's say I want to look for keyword research. So you can just go from here. So for me, I want to look for domain. So let's go from here also. So right on this box here, you can type the domain name that you want to change. So you want to change your domain name. So you can type the name that you want to change to. So when you click enter, it's going to help you look for the domain. If it is available, you are going to know right now. So here, you're also going to know the traffic that you are going to get with the domain here. So this is the average traffic that's going to come to your site if you get a domain per day. You are going to get this traffic right there. So this is the competitors there. So if the CEO is good enough, you are going to know here. So to know if the domain is available, here is where you are going to click. So you want to click search right there. So it's going to help you check if the domain is available. So as you can see right here, this domain is available. The .com is available as well as the .net. So if you like this domain, you can just go with it right there. So if you don't like it, you can leave it, and you can see other name that you can go with. Yeah. So let's say I want to go with fitness program. So you can see all the traffic that you get if you get this name here. The CEO, and you want to search if the domain is available, you can click on it here, find more. So as you can see here, the domain is not available, so not available. The .org has been taken, the .com has been taken, the .org has been taken, .net, .info, even the iPhone has been taken, so no available domain for that name there. So let's go ahead again. So let's check this out. Let's check this one out. Let's find out. So fitnessplan.com has been taken. .org has been taken. So fitnessplan.net is available. So if you want to buy this domain, you can just click buy this domain. So if the .net is available, so fitnessplans.net is available. So .info is not available. Fitness-plan.com is available. So if you want to go with it, you can go with it. So this one .org is not available. This one .net is available, and .info is not available. So right there, you can see everything that is available and the one that is not available right on this box here. So you can just go from here and buy your domain. So let's say I want to buy this domain right there. I can just click on it. It's going to take me to where I'm going to buy this domain, where I can buy this domain, where all my domains. So these are all my domains on my chart. These are all my domain on my chart. Yeah. So if I want to buy this domain, I can just buy it right there, right here. If I want to remove it from my chart, I can just click on it on this box here. I'm going to remove the domain from my chart. So on the platform, on the Working Affiliate platform, it is very easy to get a new domain, new domain name for your online business, new domain name for your website. So if you want to change your domain name, I will highly recommend you go with the Working Affiliate platform. If you want to check the platform that I'm talking about here, the link is in the description down below. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you'll be able to follow along and take the advantage of this platform and buy a good domain and for your website, for your online business. Hopefully. Alright guys, that's all I have for you on this video. If you guys have any question upon this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.